as I said, I'm not a hair guru. I'm just telling you guys how I grew my hair to waist length. All right, and I did not know nothing about no hair Porosity until I went on TikTok, and then I was like, oh man, this girl go on too.
Her hair flows like a river down to her waist. Oh, her hair tells a tale of heritage and strength that never fails. Black as the night, just as bright, a vision of power in the daylight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Arthur Fly, and today I'm going to give you an update on the hair. No, I know I haven't posted any hair video in a while. The last video I posted on my hair was a live, and thank you guys for watching that live. I really appreciate it. No, I don't have any excuse. I just had too much things to do, and this is just far out of my reach sometimes because the setting up is not ready and all sorts of things. But I don't have an excuse, so I will not give you any excuse. I should have been posting consistently, but here I am. So I'm going to give you an update on the hair. All right, so one of the first thing I would like to say is that I started to use back the elastic band, and I told you why in another video. For persons who are new, for persons who didn't watch that video, I'm going to repeat myself. The reason why I started to use back the elastic band was because my edges, I have some short hairs that keep on coming up after 2 days or stuff like that, and I want to keep my hair neat throughout the week, so I end up using back the elastic bands because my hair would be a mess by the second or third day, and I can't have that because I need my hair to stay put for the week so I can easily get up for the morning to go to work. So yes guys, I'm wearing the elastic bands still and it has been working for me. So the short hairs are getting longer, and I'm going to show you soon in another video. Just stay tuned. So just keep on bursting the elastic bands and you'll be fine. Don't pull it, okay? So your hair will continue to grow. All right, next thing I want to talk about, I stopped using the conditioner, the Blue Magic conditioner. Should I run and get it? I only have 11 minutes on here, so I'm gonna try and make it quick guys. Let me go for it. Okay, so I stopped using the conditioner. So I told you guys that I like the blue one, and trust me, it is good. There's nothing wrong with the product, but I found out something. But you have to stay tuned on what I found out. I was eating popcorn guys, so it made my lip a little bit white, too much salt. But anyways, no longer using this. I'm now using my two products only. You have the Blue Magic, I'm going to insert it, the Blue Magic Indian M, and the spray right here, jojoba oil, I think. I will insert it here. Okay, so those are my go-to products and the elastic band. So I went back to that. Now another reason why I stopped using this is because my hair stopped growing, or the texture began to change. Like I'm not sure what was happening, but I stopped using this and went back to my two products thing going on. All right, so next thing I want to talk about the length check. So I want to show you guys where my hair is from last year to now, where my hair is. As I said, it stopped growing for a while because I've been trying different products and stuff like that. So my hair was like confused on what to do and stuff like that. So I believe that was the problem. So it hasn't grown much, but I will insert a video and you can tell me what you think. I'm gonna insert it and do a little voice over, so it's the same day, it's just a different time.
Her hair flows like a river down to her waist. Ebony strands catch the sunlight's embrace. With every step she takes, she owns the ground. Her afro crown makes the world spin round. It's like a dance she's weaving in the air, Locks of beauty twisting everywhere. Every curl a story bold and proud, speaking volumes without a single sound. Oh, her hair tells a tale of heritage and strength that never fails. Black as the night, just as bright, a vision of power in the daylight. Through the city streets she turns heads in awe, captivated by the grace they saw. With every glance she breaks the norm, her elegance a storm in human form. In the mirror she sees more than just a face. She sees a legacy that time can't erase. Each strand a symbol of battles won, a testament beneath the radiant sun. Oh, her hair tells a tale of heritage and strength that never fails. Black as the night, just as bright, a vision of power in the daylight. Or in the daylight. Through the city streets she turns heads in awe, captivated by the grace they saw. With every glance she breaks the norm, her elegance a storm in human form. In the mirror she sees more than just a face. She sees a legacy that time can't erase. Each strand a symbol of battles won, a testament beneath the radiant sun. Or in the daylight. Or in the daylight. Or in the daylight. Her hair flows like a river down to her waist. Ebony strands catch the sunlight's embrace. With every step she takes, she owns the ground. Her afro crown makes the world spin round. It's like a dance she's weaving in the air. Locks of beauty twisting everywhere. Every curl a story bold and proud, speaking volumes without a single sound. Oh, her hair tells a tale of heritage and strength that never fails. Black as the night, just as bright, a vision of power in the daylight. Through the city streets she turns heads in awe, captivated by the grace they saw. With every glance she breaks the norm, her elegance a storm in human form. In the mirror she sees more than just a face. She sees a legacy that time can't erase. Each strand a symbol of battles won, a testament beneath the radiant sun. Oh, her hair tells a tale of heritage and strength that never fails. Black as the night, just as bright, a vision of power in the daylight. Or in the daylight. Through the city streets she turns heads in awe, captivated by the grace they saw. With every glance she breaks the norm, her elegance a storm in human form. In the mirror she sees more than just a face. She sees a legacy that time can't erase. Each strand a symbol of battles won, a testament beneath the radiant sun. Or in the daylight. Or in the daylight. Or in the daylight. hair flows like a river down to her waist. Ebony strands catch the sunlight's embrace. With every step she takes, she owns the ground. Her afro crown makes the world spin round. It's like a dance she's weaving in the air. Locks of beauty twisting everywhere. Every curl a story bold and proud, speaking volumes without a single sound. Oh, her hair tells a tale of heritage and strength that never fails. Black as the night, just as bright, a vision of power in the daylight. Through the city streets she turns heads in awe, captivated by the grace they saw. With every glance she breaks the norm, her elegance a storm in human form. In the mirror she sees more than just a face. She sees a legacy that time can't erase. Each strand a symbol of battles won, a testament beneath the radiant sun. Oh, her hair tells a tale of heritage and strength that never fails. Black as the night, just as bright, a vision of power in the daylight.
Alright, so what I found out, reason why I stopped using this product and all the different types of products in my hair, because I found out something called hair porosity. Yes, that's the word. I hope I'm saying it right. If I'm not, just comment down below. How to test your hair porosity is by putting a strand of hair in water, and if it settles on top, well, you have a low porosity hair, and if it sinks to the bottom, you have a high porosity hair. Now, what that means when you have a low porosity hair is basically your hair takes a longer time to absorb all that products that you're putting in. So low porosity hair do not absorb products as fast, but a high porosity hair, it absorb the products fast, so that is why it sinks. Now I would recommend you guys to do that test. I did it, and here are the result, or here is the result. Let me insert it here or here. So I'm going to insert it. Okay guys, so the hair is on top and it did not move. I left it in there for hours and it did not plan to sink to the bottom. So obviously I have a low porosity here, so you can try this test for yourself. It's still on top, so obviously I have a low porosity here. So therefore certain products I will no longer be using in my hair, but what I will do, I will try to find low porosity hair products in Jamaica for you guys, because I know that you guys probably don't want to be ordering each time hair products and stuff like that, because it's something that you use daily or weekly in your hair and you have to be ordering. So if even if you don't have the money, you can still find cheap products or good products that can use in your low porosity hair. Or if you have high porosity hair, probably that's gonna be a different video, but I will focus on the low porosity hair now, since my hair is actually low porosity. The reason why the jojoba oil was working for my hair is because that one was low porosity, so that was what that product right here was actually good for my hair. The music and and I only have a few minutes. Oh, Jesus, help us all, Lord, help us. Yes guys, so find out what your porosity I hope I'm saying the word right. So find out what your Porosity is for your hair and then treat your hair as such. No, I will not give a long detailed description on what Porosity is, low and high Porosity. You can go ahead and do your research. As I said, I'm not a hair guru. I'm just telling you guys how I grew my hair to waist length. All right, and I did not know nothing about no hair Porosity until I went on TikTok, and then I was like, oh, this shampoo that I use is for low Porosity. This jojoba oil that I use is actually low Porosity. And I also use another oil, which was the castor oil, cold press, that was very lightweight, so that was also good for my hair because it's low Porosity. But what I will do, I will insert a clip for those who want more information on low Porosity here. I will insert it in the video. Otherwise, from that, you can go on TikTok, you can go on YouTube and research some stuff about low Porosity or high Porosity here, depending on the hair type that you do have. No, another thing that I found out or want to find out is about I see like TikTokers and also YouTubers making like hair oils with at least 36 different hair ingredients, and I'm wondering that is good for low Porosity hair, because only a certain type of oil is good for low Porosity hair. I wanted to purchase one, but I'm wondering if it's good for my hair. I know that all the oils, all the ingredients that they put in it is good for hair, but is it good for low Porosity hair? Guys, you can comment down below and let me know the name of the oil, or just let me know if that is good for low Porosity hair. I ran out of storage, guys, so as I was saying, I'm gonna give you a little bit more information on low Porosity here, but you can also do your research. So that's it for now, guys. This is the hair underneath the cap. This is it. I put some, I still can't find any what you call those, edge control that doesn't leave any white in it. So this is one of them that leave white flakes. So this is the hair. Alright, guys. So yes, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Her hair flows like a river down to her waist.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.
With every step she takes, she owns the ground. Her afro crown makes the world spin round. It's like a dance she's weaving in the air. Locks of beauty twisting everywhere. Every curl a story bold and proud, speaking volumes without a single sound.